Hello! Today I want to tell you about my first trip alone. It was a special day for me. I felt excited but also a little nervous. Before this trip, I always traveled with my family or friends. I never went anywhere alone. But this time, I wanted to try something new. I wanted to be more independent. So I planned a short trip. I chose a small city near my town. It was not too far, and it was easy to travel there. The night before the trip, I packed my bag. I put some clothes, a phone charger, and a small notebook inside. I also prepared some snacks and a bottle of water. I checked everything again and again. I did not want to forget anything. That night, I could not sleep well. I felt excited and nervous at the same time. Next morning, I woke up very early. It was 5 a.m. I got dressed and ate a quick breakfast. Then I left my house. The street was very quiet. There were not many people outside. I went to the bus station. I bought a ticket and waited for the bus. While waiting, I looked around. Some people were also waiting. Some looked sleepy. Some looked busy. When the bus arrived, I got on and found a seat. I sat near the window. I like window seats because I can see the view. The bus started moving. Slowly, the city became smaller behind me. I saw trees, fields, and small houses. Everything looked peaceful. I felt calm and happy. After about 2 hours, I arrived at my destination. I got off the bus and looked around. The city was new to me. I did not know the streets or the people. At first, I felt a little lost, but I told myself, it's okay, you can do it. I took out my phone and checked the map. I walked slowly and followed the directions. Soon, I found my hotel. It was a small and simple place. The receptionist smiled and gave me the key. I went to my room and put my bag down. The room was clean and quiet. I felt comfortable. After a short rest, I decided to go outside. I wanted to explore the city. I walked along the streets. I saw many small shops and cafes. People were walking, talking, and working. Everything felt new and interesting. I stopped at a small cafe. I ordered a cup of coffee. I sat near the window and watched people outside. I felt relaxed. After that, I continued walking. I visited a small park. There were many trees and flowers. Some people were sitting on benches. Some were walking their dogs. I sat on a bench and enjoyed the fresh air. Then I took some photos. I wanted to remember this moment. At noon, I felt hungry. I looked for a place to eat. I found a small restaurant. The menu was simple. I ordered rice and grilled chicken. The food was very delicious. I ate slowly and enjoyed every bite. After lunch, I walked back to my hotel. I felt a little tired, so I took a short rest. In the afternoon, I went out again. This time, I visited a local market. It was busy and full of life. I saw many things: clothes, food, and souvenirs. I bought a small gift for myself. It was a simple keychain, but it had a special meaning. It reminded me of my first trip alone. In the evening, I walked around the city again. The lights were beautiful. The streets were lively. I felt happy and free. I realized something important. I was alone, but I was not lonely. I enjoyed my own company. I felt stronger and more confident. That night, I went back to my hotel. I took a shower and lay on the bed. I thought about my day. I felt proud of myself. I did something new. I stepped out of my comfort zone. The next morning, I woke up and packed my bag. It was time to go home. I felt a little sad because the trip was short, but I also felt happy because I had a great experience. I went to the bus station and bought a ticket. When I got on the bus, I sat by the window again. As the bus moved, I looked outside. I thought about everything I did. This trip was simple, but it was important. I learned many things. I learned how to travel alone. I learned how to solve small problems. I learned how to enjoy my time. Most importantly, I learned to believe in myself. When I arrived home, I felt different. I felt more confident. Now, I am not afraid to try new things. I want to travel more. I want to see more places. This was just the beginning. Thank you for listening to my story. I hope you enjoy it. See you next time.